Motiongate, located in Dubai Parks and Resorts, is an amusement park themed around Hollywood. The park is home to thrilling rides, exciting leg shows, and interactive studio tours, promising the time of your life. Motiongate is located within the Dubai Parks and Resorts and is a neighbor to 3 other theme parks. These are Bollywood Park, Legoland, and Legoland Water Park. Nicknamed Hollywood in the Desert, Motiongate is divided into 6 themed zones, inspired by Hollywood giants. These are Sony's Columbia Pictures, DreamWorks Animation, the Smurfs, Lionsgate, Studio Central, and Hollywood Theater. Together, they feature over 30 rides and attractions that provide a complete cinematic experience for the whole family. From speeding roller coasters based on the Hunger Games to the Smurf Village Express, Motiongate Dubai has something for everyone. With the more recent themed rides of John Wick and Now You See Me, you'll see it all. And don't worry about Dubai's weather. Motiongate has a whopping 22 indoor thrilling rides and attractions for you to enjoy. Motiongate is open every day from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. on weekdays and 9 p.m. on weekends. Motiongate is situated in Dubai Parks and Resorts. Pair your Motiongate experience with a visit to Bollywood Park, Legoland, and Legoland Water Park nearby. You can plan your next visit to Motiongate with Headout and choose from our exclusive list of experiences. Please click on the link in the description below for more. Motiongate Tickets is one of the best sellers and our favorite recommendation. For more updates and guides, follow our blog, link in the description below.